Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kareen, and today I did a date night tutorial for you guys. And you can also wear this look anywhere. It's not just for date nights. And this is just a simple look. I think this is definitely a beginner friendly look for those of you ladies who aren't really too good with your makeup. You actually don't even have to cut your crease if you don't want to. You could just pop the shimmer, well, not the shimmer, the eyeshadow on to your lid and go. I promise you guys, it's the easiest tutorial you guys will ever see, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Starting off, I'm just going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and then I'm going to be buffering that out just to make sure that my surface is flat and ready to apply the eyeshadows. The first shade that I'm using to put in my crease is the shade Access, and then I will be deepening out that shade with the shade Secure, and I'm just going to be using both of those shades just to make sure that I have the most depth that I can in my crease. Now going in with the shade Smooth Criminal, I'm using that to further create more definition and more depth in my crease. I'm also mixing that with a little bit of the shade Proud, but I'm mainly just using Smooth Criminal because I didn't want my crease or outer corner to be super dark just yet.
Money man, Swizzy on her.
I'm now adding Proud to the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm just going to be deepening that up. And I'm really just concentrating on the outer corners at this point. I will be blending it in a little inwards, but not too much. When I do blend it inwards, I will not be adding more product. I will just be taking the products that I already have in the outer corners and shifting it inwards to my inner corner. Now I'm just cutting my crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. You guys already know the drill. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how I cut my crease and how I'm able to get a perfect cut crease every time, let me know in the comments below. Or you can just simply thumbs up the video and I'll make a video for it. Going back in with the shade Proud, I'm just putting that on my outer edges just so I can blend that out. I'm now taking the shade Classified and I'm just putting that everywhere where I put that concealer, and I'm just deepening out that color. I did go heavy on the color. I noticed that with this particular shade that you kind of have to really dig into the shadow to get a lot of pigment out. I also go back in with the shade Proud, and then I make sure that it's evenly blended. Now I'm going in with my NYX liquid liner just to create a wing. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you guys want a tutorial on that, I will do that as well. But from here, you could just watch to see how I did it. Lost the footage of the primer, but I used the Touch and Show No Problem primer. For foundation, you guys already know I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Foundation in the shade Caracas. For concealer, I'm going to be using the shade Fawn by LA Girl Pro Concealer. And for my contour, I'm going to be using Beautiful Bronze by LA Girl Pro Concealer as well. You guys already know these are my go-to shades whenever I'm doing my contour and my highlight, but I did decide to use another highlight after these shades. And here's where I decided to use a brand new concealer. This is the Maybelline concealer in the shade 30. Y'all, I got so nervous blending this shade out because it was so bright. It was brighter than what I had anticipated, but I guess Maybelline switched the shades and the numbers. Like, why would y'all do that? But either way, it still worked out beautifully. I just ended up blending it out more with my foundation brush to make it look better. As you guys can see, as soon as I started doing that, it was looking flawless. To further bronze out my face, I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shades medium to dark. And then for my setting powder, I'm using my Makeup Revolution setting powder, and it's a dupe for the Benai banana powder. Now to line my lips, y'all already know your girl has still not bought a pencil sharpener, nor have I bought any new type of lip liner. So I'm still using a light brown eyeshadow, and then I'm going to be going in with a red lipstick from Clinique. You can use any red lipstick that you have. Don't think that you guys have to buy the biggest and the baddest things just to come up with this look, because you really don't. I'm now just taking a blush from e.l.f. It comes in their blush quad, and I'm just using that. Like I said, you guys can use whatever blush that you want. I'm also going to be spraying my highlighter brush, and I'm going to use the highlighter that came in the Black Radiance contour palette. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't just subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you guys know when I'm going to be posting. See you guys in my next video.